Hey guys, I found a new post from a username opening underscore touch underscore 9069. It says voluntary repossession. It says, hey guys, I'm looking to decrease my expense to help pay off some credit card debt, about $5,000. I've cut down a lot of small things already, but I still like some breathing room. I have a car that I'm paying off. The note is 320, insurance 120. There's also gas maintenance. There's work that needs to be done as well. I rarely use it as I bike, bus a lot. I'm not sure what my options are, but I really don't want to need this car. I've looked into voluntary repossession, and I know that my credit score would have a 7-year stain on it, but I'm leaning toward that. I've also thought about trading it in for a scooter or something since it's cheaper. Any advice on what my options are? So first and foremost, I'm not sure if it is a 7-year stain on your credit for a voluntary repossession. Maybe it is. But for something like that, for $5,000 credit card, I'm not sure if this is really a good option for you to have a 7-year history just working against you just because of the 5,000. Now, of course, I'm guessing about $5,000 in credit card debt is about what, $200 per month in payment. And then of course there is your car note, insurance, maintenance. I'm guessing that's probably another $500-600 per month. I'm guessing maybe at tops. I'm not sure what work that needs to be done on the vehicle, but in this particular case, my thought is that there's when it comes to, there's only two things, right? So one is that you can try to decrease your expenses as much as you can, which it sounds like you're already done. But the other way is, of course, to increase your income, which is always a better option, right? Because of course, there's so much you can do to reduce your expenses as much as you can. But the upside or the income side, there's the potential is unlimited. And so if you can work on that a little bit, maybe even use the vehicles while you have it, since you have it. Maybe work as a Uber driver, Lyft driver, ubereats, doordash, that sort of things, where you can utilize that car that you have to kind of help you supplement the income that you have or you're getting, so you can actually increase that, just so you can actually help pay up the car, the credit card debt that you have, and then you can use that to kind of further pay off your auto loan that you have left, rather than resulting in a voluntary repossession. Whether it's voluntary or not, the repossession is a repossession, right? Basically what it means is that you made a promise to pay back the loan, and you didn't, and then they took the car back as a result of that, and that's what it is. Whether you volunteered it or not, I don't know if that makes that much of a difference, if any. But as mentioned, it was already said, and so definitely do that. Again, increasing your income will not only help you keep the car, because it sounds like you don't like the car anyway, but also again gives you a way to pay off your debt without ruining your credit. But also, even after everything's paid for, you still have another source of income, another stream of income, where you can use it to kind of add a little bit more to your emergency fund, maybe even doing a little bit of investment here and there. Maybe you can do another investment in your own, maybe in your education, that sort of things. And that way you put yourself in a better position. So if something like this were to happen in the future, where you do have to get into a credit card debt, whether or you have to get a loan and that sort of things, you are in a much better position to actually get that, and be able to kind of come out of that better, and have a breathing room for push comes to shove. Nothing else, but you are earning a lot more in income, so you can actually enjoy things a little bit better. So hope that helps.